so I thought I would make a quick video to show where to jack these cars up. So this is an R34 GTT. You see quite a lot of videos of people jacking them up in the wrong place, really, where you're going to cause damage to your car. So I've already done the other side. In the guides, in the manual, I'll tell you to jack it up off here on the sill where you've got your two notches, and it's the same at the back. But if you use those now, because these are quite old cars, I mean, you can see a slight bit of rust on them, you risk sort of crushing your sill up into the body. So you shouldn't use them at all. Never ever use them now. Might have been fine when the car was a couple of years old, but not now. So the best place to jack it up at the front is to use the chassis rail. But don't just put your jack straight on. You need to get yourself a nice big solid piece of wood. This is 2x4, and you want to go quite close to the front, sort of around this area where you're putting your pressure on, so it's a bit stronger up there where it's angled. So just put your jack in. It's a bit difficult to see. Just put a nice big piece of wood underneath it. So it's on, wood's on nice and square, so that's distributing the pressure across the chassis rail, and then you've got that fairly close to the front. So then lift the car up. I probably don't have to go too far for this. Like I say, I've already done the other side. So you can put a jack stand under here, but obviously it's difficult because I use a really long piece of wood. So your best place is to go down here where you're on your subframe. So a nice solid piece of metal. I need to go a little bit further. So I like to put a little piece of wood under these as well. It just helps to spread the weight, especially with the design of the axle stand. Pull that out again, with it having a bit of a notch in it. You want it to be quite flat on there. Obviously these little bits of wood don't really matter if you damage them, so easy to replace. So lift that up a touch more. Piece of wood in, and then slide it in, and then very slowly just lower the car down onto it. You'll hear the wood splitting, but that's fine. Nice and slowly, nice and careful, and then you'll see the pressure comes away from there, and there we go, up on stands. Now, the back's a bit easier than the front. So with the back, you can go straight off the diff and get both sides at once. So it's a bit harder to jack up from here because the back end's really low. So we've got a sharp bit of leeway to play with. But you want to put it on the diff about there. And then it takes a little while to get started. There we go. So I've got all four wheels off the floor now. So we want to go a bit higher than that. So we're doing the gearbox oil. So we want the car to be nice and level to ensure the fluid goes in even. A bit higher. Probably do. And then you don't really need the wood on here. You just want to put it on the bottom of there. So, somewhere along there, no, a bit higher than that. And that'll sit in nicely there. Side. A bit harder to tell on that side, a bit higher. And then again, very slowly lower the push the over touch button. And then lower the car down. Onto the stands. Just like that. And there we go. Put all four stands fairly level. And we'll get in now to do the gearbox oil. Thanks for watching.